It's been a while since my last shopping vlog, so I thought it would be fun to spend a day together. I just wanted to browse, maybe pick up a few products if something really catches my eyes. So let's get ready and head out. I decided to keep my makeup nice and simple. days before arriving. It makes the whole day feel very relaxing. Hopefully we will find some cute makeup product today. We finally made it. Let's go inside and start looking around. The store was quite busy today, so instead of talking while filming, I decided to record everything first and share my thoughts afterwards. There were so many cute products to look through, and I wanted to take my time browsing every shelf. I always enjoy looking at cute packaging, even when I don't plan on buying everything. It's just fun to browse and see all the different designs. And then this palette immediately catch my attention. The first thing that came to my mind was Flower Nose. It has that same elegant vintage inspired packaging, and honestly, it's so beautiful. I've seen pictures online before, but seeing it in person made me appreciate all the little details even more. I already have quite a few eyeshadow palette at home, so I wasn't sure if I really needed another one. I decided to keep browsing first before making my final decision. Even though I wasn't planning to buy much today, I found a couple of things that I thought would be a nice addition to my collection. After looking around the whole store, I just couldn't stop thinking about that palette. So I decided to bring it home with me. Hopefully the quality is just as beautiful as the packaging. I'm really happy with today's little shopping vlog. Even though I only pick up a few things, I had so much fun looking around. Okay everyone, I'm finally back home. I had such a fun time shopping together, and now it's time for my favorite part, the Let me show you everything I pick up today. The first thing I pick up is this contour palette. I've been wanting to add another contour palette to my collection, and this one looked really nice in the store. Next, I pick up this beauty blender, and I thought this one looked really nice. I also found this adorable Pochacco fashion pendant. They were just too cute to leave behind. I love collecting cute little accessories like this, so I had to get this. Next, I got this Aegyo-sal liner. I think it will be perfect for creating a cute under eye look. Also pick up this lip matte. The packaging is adorable and I'm excited to try it. This was definitely my favorite purchase today. The packaging is gorgeous and I'm really excited to try it. It was actually the last piece they had, and the owner was so kind enough to give me a little discount, which made me even happier to bring it home. Okay, that's everything for today's shopping vlog. I hope you enjoy coming shopping with me. If you did like to see a full face makeup